It is exciting. Yeah, Venus has always put on a good show in the sky. Every year it does. But to be able to see, the different planets and take the kids outside and say, "Hey, guess what that is?"
So
and they say star, and you're like, "It's not a star, it's a planet."
But
it's not as exciting to the naked eye, but if you have a good telescope, super cool. The thing is, we need it to be clear to see that. Right. And this time of year, we get a lot of clouds and rain. It does look like we're going to have some kind of system around next Tuesday. Just kind of looking ahead.
Just being honest.
Too early to call, just being honest. It's still 7 days away, but it does look like there'll be something around. All right, well, that's what happens this time of year. We've got something around tomorrow morning as well. Here's your forecast preview out the door tomorrow morning. Couple showers. Not quite as cold, though. We'll be in the 40s. Wind won't be too much of a factor. A little breeze out there. Then by evening, we're talking rain moving back in. We'll have steady temperatures near 50 degrees all day. Not a bad day tomorrow. It'll feel like spring. I think this might sound weird. I think it's going to smell like spring tomorrow as well. We've had bone dry air in place over the course of today. There was actually a high fire danger. You probably have dry skin, humidifiers running. That's not the case tomorrow. We're finally bringing moisture, a little humidity in here. So that'll get things going. I think it'll smell a little bit more like spring as well. If you understand what I mean, please tell me you do. All right, we're near 50 degrees right now, 40s elsewhere, fairly mild evening. The wind has gone fairly light as we're between a high and a low pressure. We're kind of in between systems right now. But that all changes. Notice the cold air is now gone. We've got 40s and 50s pretty much from I-80 down towards the south. That's a good sign, especially when our wind's coming up from that direction. We're going to continue to stay mild. This system that's moving in, I mentioned we've got that real dry air in place. So a lot of this falls from the cloud, and it's so dry down here at the surface it evaporates before it hits the ground. And that's what's going to happen with a lot of this rain. It looks ominous on radar, but I don't think we get much out of it. Just some light showers overnight into tomorrow morning. All the action, as I mentioned, out west, there's going to be a frontal boundary that lays across the center half of the country. We're going to interact with that for several days. So rain chances hour by hour as we go throughout the morning. Notice, just isolated showers around. This isn't going to be a big downpour. National Design Mart hour by hour forecast showing that. There's your smattering of showers out the door tomorrow morning. Everything kind of dries up. I think we go cloudy for much of the day tomorrow, but dry. It should be a nice day to get on out. No bright sunshine to contend with on your drive. But as we get towards evening, this is when we start to interact with those frontal boundaries. First thing up will be a warm front. Here comes the rain Wednesday evening. This is tomorrow after that evening rush hour. This could be heavy at times. We could have some rumbles of thunder here as well. Temperatures near 50. Overnight Wednesday into Thursday, more rain and storms. Temperatures near 50 still. That's how we're going to start our Thursday. And Thursday, boy, looks like a washout at this point. Heavy rain from time to time. Temperatures are going to try to get near 60 degrees during the day, and then a cold front's going to come in and squash our plans. We'll probably have fog and low clouds coming off the lake. It'll turn dreary around here by Thursday afternoon and evening. And notice that we're back into the 30s, but we do start to dry out. That frontal boundary is going to put down some rain, not just with round 1, but round 2 and 3 as well. Look at all the flooding problems that they may have down towards the Ohio River. For us, our southern communities, we're talking 1 to 2 inches of rain here as we go throughout the forecast. That frontal boundary will sag south. It comes back at us on Saturday. More of the same, a quick warm up with some rain and storms. And then we're back to the cool after that. Union Hill Mortgage 7-day forecast, dropping temps on Thursday, cooler on Friday, and then for the weekend, you notice how we warm up on Saturday, and then we're back down into next week. Pretty rainy pattern. There's your Tuesday for the planets aligning. A little rain and snow around here, but we'll continue to fine-tune that forecast, Laura.
I think we'll still see them.
I think so, too.
Yeah, optimism.
Absolutely.
It's a thing.
Yeah.
All right, Matt, thanks so much.